Hello, my name is Kaushik, and today I will solve June Leetcode problem, that is intersection of two linked lists. Here two singly linked list has been given, and we'll have to find their intersection point of each other. Suppose if two singly linked lists has not been intersecting with each other, in that case I will return the null. So how I will approach that problem? Let's see that. Yeah. Yeah. First, I have been copying these two linked list. 4, that is 1, that is 8, that is 04, and that is 5. That is A, and that is B is 5, 6, and that is 1. Now it's been connecting with that. So how I will approach that? So my approach is basically I have been pointing h1 that part and h2 that part. So there is a two pointer. Until I am not getting any null value, I am incrementing both the pointer. So how it will happen that first of all I am incrementing that one, that is h1. So that part is goes to h2. So that will incrementing that one, and that h2 has been incrementing to that part. So that incrementing to that part, and that pointing to next pointer, that means h2. So that one h1 and that to h2, right? So that part, that is coming null right now. So right now when I have been finding that now finding the null pointer, in that condition h1 become that h2, h1 become that h2. And when same condition, that means suppose, yeah, that is I am finding that this is the null value. So 4, 1, 8, 4, and 5, and 5, 6, and 1. Right now after that will become that h1, that will become h1, and that part become that one when that is pointing to null value. So that part is goes to there, and then 5 become h2, 5 become h2. Right now, so right now I have been trying to do that, incrementing one more step, that is h1, and same here. So it becomes null. So what will happen, that h2 become connected with that part. So h2, and that part has been incrementing by h1, and that part become incremented by that to h2. So after that I am incrementing there, and that is also incrementing there. So they are both point h1 is equals to h2. So if that condition has been fulfilling, that when they has been meeting each other, so in that condition that will intersect each other. Intersection happened. Intersection happened. So I have been repeating there. Suppose suppose 1, I have been 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and 7, 8 and then that one. Suppose if that is h1, that is h2, that will incrementing, that will incrementing, that will incrementing, that will increment, that part has been incrementing, that will is incrementing, incrementing, that will been incrementing. When that is the point has been intercept with each other, that point, that will the intersection is happened, intersection happened. So until, suppose in that condition, suppose that is the first example I have been shown there. Suppose one part has been facing null and other part has not been facing not facing null. So in that condition, so when h1 facing null, so after that h1 become head B, or suppose h2 facing null, so in that condition h2 facing, so h2 become head A. So after that condition, until or unless it will finding the null value, it will incrementing unlimited times, until or unless there has been meeting with each other. So let's implement that. Here I have been initializing that A is equals to head A and list node star B is equals to head B, that part. Right now I am saying that while they are being not null, so I mean that A or B, so both of them. So I am turning that if the base condition is that A is equals to B, so in that condition that will be returned A, and if only A facing not null, that is equals to A become A next. Else condition, that is A is equals to, that's head B has been pointing here, head B, or and there is same condition has been facing for the B linked list also. B is equals to B next, else B is equals to head B. So and another condition is that if there is no pointer has been intersecting with each other, in that condition I will return null. So return null. So let's check that, run the code. Sorry, there is a time limit exceeded. Okay, if B is equals to there, sorry I mistaken in there, that was head A. Yeah, that's the point, they're intersecting with each other, that outcome has been here. So let's submit that. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.